Good morning, friends. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. So, today we will be learning about the headstand. Why this headstand is very important, as we are aware that it has we are always standing, sitting. The blood flow will always be the downwards, and if you want something towards inversion, there are few poses like headstand, handstand. There are many inversions we have. Today we'll be discussing about the headstand and how the variation starts. So we have the benefits. It gives more oxygen-rich blood. That is the reason why we normally get yawning or sneezing if you don't get proper oxygen for the blood. So in between, you have to invert your body for that the maximum oxygen-generated blood goes through the blood corpuscles. You know about that hemoglobin. What is the example? What is the use of the hemoglobin? That transportation of oxygen from one place to the other place. So that increases a lot. It activates thyroid glands. The people suffering from the TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. So all those goiter and the problems will be eradicated. It improves the blood circulation as well, and it improves the balance, strengthens shoulders and upper back. So overall, our strength has to be strong enough to hold this. And there are two ways. I'll just tell you guys, whoever is practicing, there are many. Uh, like if you are strong enough in doing it from your own experience, there are many people will be standing against wall. So that is all your initial practice. But from my point of view, how you have to practice is, as we know that this is called crone. So initially we have to keep the legs like this in vajrasana from forward. From then we have to place the hands in such a manner. We'll be holding the hands like this and place the hands like this, and you always will be, the strength will be on your shoulders, and this will be acting as a tripod. Head, that is a crown, and shoulders. So place the hands like this and make strengthen on your shoulders. Initially it will be very difficult for you, but slow and steady wins the race. You can make it up. So you can place hands like this and place your forehead region. It means the crown area. So this forehead region, this place, so you can directly touch and place the forehead region. Now I want you guys to raise your legs. Then you can walk forward, balance on your shoulders and headstand. Raise one leg. Initially it will be difficult for you, so keep raising. Then slowly you can make up to this position. Now whoever has done up to this position, they can slowly raise the legs. So here this is acting as a tripod, and the maximum pressure will be on your elbows. So be careful, don't put the maximum pressure on your head. So you can place on your elbows. Head is just for a rest. So you can straighten the legs. If you want more variations, you can make like Shirshasana. You can bend backward, slow and steadily. You can do that. Shirshasana pose also. So straighten the legs, straighten the back muscle, and slowly drop. Now from this, here, don't come directly. Place your thumb in such a manner. You have to place between the eyebrows. The thumb has to be placed like this. Placing of thumb like this will divide the blood flow to all the directions without any kind of trouble. From now, you can slowly go to Shashankasana. Place your hands forward Stretch your spine. Just place your hands straight, touch your thoracic area. So this is the way in Shirshasana. You will never come up directly. You have to place your thumb between your eyebrows. This equalizes the blood flow. You have to give that tip slight pressure with which the whole blood will equalize to all portions of the head. So this is very important. Why I am telling you headstand is more essential. We are always, the inversion is very important. We will be always standing and sitting. So the blood flow towards brain is very important even for your thyroid area also. So that pressure will be good for the functioning of our thyroid glands. There is one more handstand with the handstand. So initially it will be difficult for you, but slow and steadily you can make it out. So I want you guys to practice. Normally I practice with the blocks handstand. That will be very good. So you can just keep the, you can sit in malasana. So after sitting in malasana, place your hands and the blocks. It can be these blocks, I took it from decathlon, so these are all like not hard one, the soft one. So you can place the blocks like this. Now I want you guys to, as usual, come back to vajrasana and then place your head in between the blocks and raise on the legs. From here slowly you can come up. Now the pressure will be equalized on hands and head. So here you have to place in such a manner the head will be supporting and the hands will be balancing. So this is very important handstand. You can go back like this. You can take Shirshasana's angle. If you are strong enough, you can directly come over the hands. Slow and steady. I will also learn. I want you guys also to learn it. How to handstand, how to headstand along with the handstand. So these are the two things which are very important for you by using the blocks, by using the ball. We have exercise ball. We have various things. We have aerial yoga also, where you can do all those headstand as well as headstand. So this is something I just want to tell you guys. So you know about the blood circulation as well as here the whole thing, the whole game is on the breathing. You have to hold it whenever required. Make it happen. Don't get too stimulation. I want you guys to do the asana with stimulation as well as relaxation. Whenever you feel like comfortable, that can be easy for you guys. I hope this video will help you in understanding the idea of Shirshasana with the help of head and elbows and with the help of hands. So you have learned there are two ways of headstands you have learned now. So in future I will be making more videos. I hope you guys please have a look into playlist. If you want, please go through it. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.